In this video, I'm going to show you how to use breaker blocks with signals by LuxAlgo. So the first thing you have to do, you want to go to LuxAlgo's official website, and then on here, you want to create an account or sign in, and then click on library here at the top right. And in here, you want to go to search indicators, and you want to type in the breaker blocks with signals. So just type in, and when you do that, it's going to pop up a bunch of different results. And the first one should be the breaker blocks with signals. Click on it, and it's going to open up your preview here inside this chart, and you can just go ahead and scroll down and basically read all about this indicator. You can basically see how it works, the settings, stuff like that. This is a very in-depth tutorial, so if you want to know how to do it, how to actually master this, you can read that if you wanna. And then to use it, you can just scroll up. It says works on the following platforms. So this one is supported on TradingView, NinjaTrader, MetaTrader 4, or MetaTrader 5. So select the one you want to use. For example, NinjaTrader, click on Get Access. It's going to give you a step-by-step guide on how to do this, and that's going to happen for all of these. But if you just want to use it right away, very quickly, the easiest way is just to use TradingView. Click on Get Access again, and then here it's going to open up in TradingView. Make sure you do sign into your account or create one if you don't have it yet, because otherwise you won't be able to use it. And then when you do that, you can go ahead and click on Use on Chart here at the bottom left of your chart, and it's going to open up yet another separate tab here where you can go ahead and use this on the chart. So as you can see, it's going to load up, and there we go. I can already see it. So if I go ahead and, for example, change, you can now change your time frames here, and you'll be able to basically see the breaker blocks with signals indicator directly over here. Now you can change settings by hovering over its name, top left, and you can click on the settings, and here you can change inputs, style, visibility, stuff like that. Press OK, and you are good to go. So I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.